autonomous driving or new engaging fan experiences at sporting events that mimic even gaming experiences, or factories of the future, but also quantum computing and also the metaverse. The future is digital, and this requires 5G to power incredible innovations, to power all kinds of products, services, but also experiences that are reinventing our modern world. Hi, I'm Ronald van Loon, and I'm an Ericsson partner. And 5G is transforming industries, and it's helping organizations to realize all kinds of new possibilities for a smarter and a sustainable world. And the Ericsson Trailblazer program, they highlight people who are doing the extraordinary, using 5G technology as a catalyst. And I had the opportunity to speak with Professor Frank Fitzek. He's Deutsche Telekom Chair at the Technical University in Dresden, but also with Magnus Bjorkman. He's the CEO of Tension Onsite Sports, and Eman Martin-Vignerte. He's the director at Bosch. And these industry leaders, they are considered trailblazers in their respective industries, using 5G to enable all kinds of new exciting use cases that are transforming businesses, their business and other business, and their capabilities to deliver exciting new innovations to the world. And 5G, that's the next generation of wireless connectivity. So organizations have many opportunities to create value from 5G, like, for example, through IoT and through machine-to-machine connectivity. So businesses, they need to support a large number of simultaneous type of connections, and they need to improve the speed, but also the reliability and also the latency, so that they can deliver the next generation solutions and exciting new ways to help their customers. Now, let's turn to Frank to learn more about new innovations in 5G and his experience as a trailblazer in his work.
We are looking in information theoretical approaches. For example, how to reduce information in a very dramatic way. That is a theory that is called post-Shannon. And we also look into new information theoretical approaches, how we code information within a network, not only at the endpoints. But besides this theoretical work, we also look into new areas like quantum or molecular communication. And one of the big fields currently is the softwareization of networks. I'm very happy to be part of the Trailblazer program. And for us, it's very important to be in discussion with other researchers, with other customers, with verticals, with technology in general, to understand, for example, the needs of the verticals. What kind of communication networks do we have to build? Is there something that we are missing, for example, but also to see the roadmaps of the technology partners. So my tip for becoming a trailblazer is really to make your hands dirty and really work on the technology that you will be a trailblazer on, right? For example, in our field for 5G, we have experienced a lot with real test beds. And we have tried out different releases and so on. And we did a lot of mistakes. All these pitfalls that you will experience on the way will make you an experienced researcher or implementer. And once you have made enough mistakes, I think then you are good to go for the Trailblazer program.
Now, 5G is a perfect position to target the expectations of modern consumers, such as the Gen Z, who want exciting and immersive digital experiences that emulate all kinds of gaming experiences which they're used to. So, for example, incredible innovations that are made in the world of 5G in sports. And fans can engage with sporting teams and supporting their favorite teams, for example, with NFT jerseys. And also gain all kinds of new experience levels. So interacting with their favorite teams via applications just on the smartphone. On how about watching a sports event? So you watch it live in real time on the smartphone, while switching between all kinds of interactive cameras from all different kinds of positions, or rewinding your footage, and this all in real time without any delay. And all this can be made possible with 5G. Now, here's more from Magnus about his experience as an industry trailblazer.
We are sprung from the game development industry, which means that we are trying to bring what the gamers and the Z generation want into a new world, for example, into sports and to big events. So we create fun fan engagement through mixing games with sports. For us, it's a great opportunity to show what we're doing at early stages. To be part of the Ericsson collaboration also gives us good insight of what's happening within the 5G development, and to adapt to that and bring our innovations to the market. So I would say that don't do boring things. Go with the gut feeling and stick to your ideas. I think that's super important. And don't be alone. Have a good team behind you. That's important. That could take your crazy ideas to next step.
Now, 5G goes beyond people, beyond mobile interactions. 5G is connecting machines, it's connecting sensors and infrastructure for innovations, for example, in autonomous vehicles or in smart factories and in smart cities. And the future is driven by advanced and resilient connectivity. And data is the force behind this advanced industry use cases. So organizations need data in real time to enable this type of experiences. And this can't be made possible without low latency 5G connectivity. Now, let's give an example. Autonomous vehicles, they require a connection to the infrastructure, but also from the vehicle to vehicle to talk to each other. And this generates massive amounts of data. And that needs to be processed in real time due to the safety, but also due to the standardization. And 5G is becoming truly revolutionary, as the world requires a network that's built for this type of digital future. Now, Eman can explain more about how 5G enables all these type of use cases for businesses across all different kinds of industries.
5G, first of all, is the first standard communication allowing the whole connectivity between machines and machine, between sensor technologies and infrastructure, and as well as automated vehicles communication and beyond this. It is not only, as we said, connectivity with people and mobiles. So it's revolutionary in the way how it is. This is really inspire the whole industry. The more we look into complications of communications, take an example, factory, for example, or factory of the future, you will see there are lots of use cases actually cannot be handled except within enabling a network like 5G. 5G is the way moving forward, is the enabler for us to leverage more bandwidth with our technological advancement moving forward. And one of the areas which inspires me definitely to work more on quantum computing and automated driving and the factory of the future, these are three areas definitely they use the data communication heavily. And we experience with 5G and with the low latency and the real-time transmission is absolutely like you are transitioning the data with the wire. That fast it is.
Thanks to Ericsson, and especially thanks to our special guests and our speakers for providing us with an inside look into this exciting type of new developments of the 5G future. Be sure to check out more from Ericsson Trailblazers to discover more about the future of 5G. I'm Ronald van Loon, and this is The Intelligent World.